And now I'm really, truly excited to introduce our opening keynote presenter, Trevor Darrell. Trevor is a computer scientist and professor at UC Berkeley, where he founded and co-leads the Berkeley Artificial Intelligence Research Lab, also known as BEAR, the Berkeley Deep Drive Industrial Consortia, and the BEAR Commons program. Darrell is recognized for his significant contributions across several areas in artificial intelligence, especially in computer vision and machine learning. In computer vision, his work is focused on advances in object detection, semantic segmentation, and feature extraction techniques. And his research has also advanced unsupervised learning techniques and adaptive models that improve generalization from limited examples, as well as cross-modal methods that integrate various data types. Darrell and colleagues created the Caffe deep learning framework, which was released in 2014 and quickly became one of the most widely used platforms for deep learning, especially for computer vision applications. Darrell is author or co-author of papers that have been cited nearly 300,000 times. And remarkably, last year, Darrell and his co-authors received 3 Test of Time awards for exceptionally impactful papers, one from the International Conference on Machine Learning, one from CVPR, and one from the ACM Special Interest Group on Multimedia. Beyond academia, Darrell is an advisor to several ventures, including SafelyU, Nexar, and SuperAnnotate. He also co-founded and serves as president of Prompt AI. Welcome, Trevor.
Thank you very much. It's really a pleasure to be here today and see all the excitement in AI at the edge and computer vision and a lot of friendly faces and a lot of great work going on in the community represented at this event. So today I want to give you a bit of a tour of what's going on at the state of the art, especially at Berkeley and in my lab. And talk about the future of visual AI, multimodal intelligence. Really, this is about LLMs from text to robotics and vision and back, and definitely some efficiency, in a few points. But some of the work will be showing you what's possible. And as everyone in this room knows, when you see what's possible, a few years later, we can make it efficient and at the edge.